3525 April Springs. That street is Spring Mountain. We are the third house down. Just keep that in mind for traffic noise. It really just depends how much it would bother you. And also the master is on the far side from Spring Mountain. So you might want to repair this here. Maybe the stucco, since you're going to see it every day. And maybe it's pretty pink, so maybe paint that. And maybe paint the security door and the front door as well, which we actually do at all of our properties. Tile. You can see the tile going all the way to the back of the house. The paneled, 6-panel doors, 2.5-inch forward blinds. We found them to be the best to withstand heat, prevent warping. You pointed out these cabinets appear to have been painted over. That is, I would agree with that. Appliances are included per the MLS. We have these upgraded light fixtures, except for this one doesn't match. The ceiling fan that we normally put in is $165 with labor. So this side of the house gets the afternoon and the evening sun, which is great to have this patio cover, and the rock's already installed. So just decide what to do with these pavers and pull up the weeds, and that's pretty much it. AC is a little rusty. Let's go look at it. Also, just FYI, the seller is under no obligation to remove these before the sale closes, and you might want to remove the satellite dishes or not. It's up to you. It's a pretty high wall. So maybe you could possibly repaint the fascia all the way around. I have seen one story quotes at about $600 or $700. You can get the rollers cleaned out and all that so it opens easily. Nice washer and dryer. Rama water conditioning. That's for the salt. Okay. Chamberlain garage door opener. You could power wash this. It'll have it looking much nicer. Little storage area back here. You could hang a curtain rod or something. Little transition strip carpet. Newer fan. It's a little yellow in here, the paint. Maybe get some closet door guides. Maybe touch up this paint. These are very, very minor things, by the way. That's fun. This tile. Ceilings are high. This room is yellow as well. Need some closet door guides. But it's nice to have the panel doors. It's yellow in here as well. I said that these are better at preventing warping, but this one looks a little warped. Again, $165 to replace a fan with our standard fan. And that includes labor. I like this. This looks nice. The edges look a teeny bit unfinished, but maybe you could get a strip and put it all the way down or something. It's blue in here, by the way. It's definitely blue.